Welcome. In this video, let's discuss about what's the difference between Solana Mainnet, Solana Devnet and Testnet. So just a quick video to give you an overview of what they are. So in case you are new, I'm Solomon Foske, founder of dProgramming, where you have access to Web3 courses for free and other Web3 development content to help you get started with Web3 development. So you can subscribe, tap the notification bell and Ep6. And meanwhile, as a disclaimer and disclosure, some of the content you can get grant bounty for them, but we try to as much as be unbiased as possible. And as a disclaimer, please always do your own research. Any of this content is not financial investment advice. And we won't be responsible. You agree to, not indict us or involve anything for any losses you incur for any of these projects discussed. Now, back to the point of the video, which is majorly just to give a quick difference between the two, which is already in our guide. You can search for Solidity for Solana Development DPU, an ultimate guide. So I've already given a kind of a breakdown of what the difference between the three are, as you can see it. So Mainnet, the actual real Solana blockchain with real SOL or SOL, and everything costs real money to deploy, and level of interaction and things like that with Solana program or Solana smart contract. So if you are coming from Ethereum, you'll likely be confused that, okay, what's the difference? The difference, you know that already on Ethereum, it's either it's mainnet or it's testnet. So why the three? Then we'll learn that. The second one is the Devnet. What's the Solana Devnet? This is where you spend most of your time when finally transitioning to building on Solana with Solidity or any other language you're building on. But as we are on the Solidity series, where we discuss about using Solang to develop smart contracts with Solidity on Solana. So if you are just coming through this video, you can go and watch the whole series. Join the Discord to ask for support in the Solana dedicated Solana channel, and like, share and subscribe to the channel as well. So that usually is for developer to test their Solana program before deploying them on mainnet. So it's just like Ethereum testnet. So but this is called the Devnet, and it's not real money. You can always get SOL for free through SOL airdrop through the Solana CLI. If you want to know how to set it up, get airdrop, Solana development environment, watch our video as well on the Solang series. You will see everything from setup and everything. So once you set it up, you'll be able to get free SOL to develop and test a lot of things. But now, the other thing you need to know is that Solana Mainnet is immutable, which means you don't expect that your content just get wiped out or disappeared. But when you're using testnet, once a while, maybe some upgrade or some things, they may wipe it off, which means what you expect to persist immutably or for long, you may not deploy on testnet. It's just to test before you go to the actual blockchain. Mainnet, I think it's still in beta, so they're not beta now. So you don't leave, because at any point in time, they can wipe it off. So the third one is now the testnet, which what that does is similar to Devnet, except for the fact it is only used by Solana core developers. So if you are a developer wanting to do some things, they use this to usually test very similar core features before they deploy it on the mainnet. So it's a playground for core developer of the actual Solana protocol itself. So that's the major difference in case you are confused. So when you hear testnet on Solana, it's not what you understood it to be from the aspect or perception of you coming from Ethereum. So I just think it's something you may be a bit confused. to just quickly do a short video to explain and create clear the misconception for you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. I remain Solomon Foske. Always keep the programming spirit alive. That's the only assurance for you to succeed as a developer. And please do good to humanity and nature with your programming and coding skill and not evil. See you in the next video. Peace and bye.